Hi, this is Linda from homeschoolingsix.com, and today I wanted to share with you the New Testament, Simply the Bible by the Thinking Tree. And I'm from homeschoolingsix.com and thethinkingtreebranch.com. You can check out my website, thethinkingtreebranch.com, to see the journals that I organized. But this one right here has presented to, on this day, and presented by. And here's the editor's note and table of contents. This is in the Dyslexie Font. And in the back, let's see. There is a World English Bible Glossary. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.